Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video will present to you another C programming technique to perform repetitive statement other than while loops and do while loops. Okay, this one we call it for loop 6.2.1. Okay, at the end of this lesson, we should be able to use for loop in C programming to solve repetitive statement. First, we will look at for loop syntax. The syntax is different compared to while loop and do while loop. Here we need to set three things. The first one is initialization, repetition condition, and update. So we have to set these three things before we write the body of the loop. Okay, the statement that we want to repeat many times. Okay, how for a loop works? Okay, first, the initial statement will be executed, okay, the initialization, and then the loop condition is evaluated. If the condition is true, then the program will run the body of loop. Okay, after that, it will update based on what we write in here. Okay, after that, the program will repeat again. Okay, it will go to the condition, and if it's true, it will loop until the condition becomes false. Okay, let's go to example 6.6. Okay, this example is a program to calculate sum and mean of all entered numbers. If we look at this code closely, here we can see that we have 4 variables, and there are two important variables that relate to the for loop. Okay, the one is integer count and integer total number. Okay, if we look at this line, the program will record, okay, the total number value. Okay, and then based on total number, it uses it to create the repetitive condition. Okay, so let's look here. The initialization count is initialized as 0. Okay, and then count, if count is smaller than total number, for example, we put total number as 5. If count is smaller than 5, then the program will run the statement inside the body of loop. Okay, and then after that, count will be increased. Okay, this will repeat until count equal to 4. Okay, and when count equal to 5, the value of count is equal to total number, and it will break the loop. Okay, and then it will follow by the printf of sum and also mean. Okay, let's look for the code. Okay, example 6.6. Okay, if I run this one, okay, first it will ask us to insert the total number of integer. Let's say we put 3, then we give 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so it will calculate the sum as 15 and mean as 5. Okay, 15 divided by 3. Okay, so let's go for another example. Okay, for another example, we have nested loop. Okay, this one we will create a nested loop using for statement to create multiplication table. Okay, if we look here, we have two integer I and j, and based on this integer, we create two loops. Okay, the first loop based on integer I, and the second loop based on integer j. Okay, so the second loop is nested under the first loop. Okay, so if we look here, the multiplication table, so I start from 1, and inside that we have j start from 2 until j equal to 9. Okay, because when j equal to 10, it will break the loop. Okay, and after the second loop is finished, it will go back to the first loop where I will be increased and become 2. Okay, this will happen until I equal to 9 multiply with j equal to 9. Okay, if you look at the code, the program itself, and try to run this, I have to go to this one. Okay, if you run this one, then we will get the multiplication table. Okay, the first column is print based on command number 12. Okay, command number 12 here. It will print the first column followed by command at line 14. Okay, so the first one is 1 multiply with 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it's repeat I equal to 2 multiplied with 2 until 9, and then when I equal to 9, it will multiply from 2 until 9, and the last one we will get 9 multiplied with 9, then we will get 81. Okay, so that's how we use for loop to create a nested loop. Okay, another thing that I want to mention in this video is the difference between for loop structure and while loop structure. Okay. So for while loop, initialization, repetitive condition, and also the update statement happen at different places. I mean, that first we have to initialize it, and then we use the syntax for while loop, and then the update is inside the body of loop. Okay, compared to the for loop, all these three things we will write it here. Okay, for initialization, okay, semicolon, and then condition, condition evaluation or repetitive condition, count smaller than total number or any other condition, semicolon, and also the update statement, count plus plus, okay, or count plus 2. It depends on your update statement. Okay, so these are the difference between while loop structure and also for loop structure. Okay, so we have exercise 5, exercise 6, and exercise 7. For exercise 5 and 6 is based on exercise 1 and exercise 2 respectively. You have to modify the code, okay, that you have done in previous session or previous video. And for exercise number 7, you need to write a program using nested for loop to produce a triangle using the asterisk symbol. Okay, before it's output the triangle, the program should prompt the user or should ask the user to enter the height of the height or the width of the triangle. So for this example, first it will ask the user to enter the height of the triangle. Okay, put it 8, and then the program will print out the triangle based on this number lah. Okay, so 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so just in case I put example 1, exercise example 1, and also exercise 2. Okay, so you can do the exercise 5 and 6. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.